All right, good day, people. So it is Thursday. The date is 9/28, 2023. All right, so we're going over that oil trade. All right, so yesterday I posted this video, so I'm about to play it for you guys just a little bit. All right, so y'all see what we was talking about the day before yesterday, having a drop. And so far, we got a drop now. Yesterday, we were at these levels right here. All right. And so I was looking for a bearish setup, some type of move to move to the downside. All right, and so when this candle got back up to this level, let's do this, and let's do this. I was looking for a rejection. All right, so we never really got the rejection. All right, so we still continue to push higher. However, because I took a pretty good, decent lot size, and I knew that I had some room for to give it time to move, I wound up entering a position right around here. All right, so I did have initial drawdown, but after that, we were good to go. All right, and so by the time I woke up, I think I woke up around six something in the morning, five, six something in the morning. I checked my trade. So around this part, I was up pretty good from this level. All right, so you see how many pips that was from down here. So we're talking about, by the time I saw it was up like 110 something pips. So it was doing pretty good. But the trade has turned out pretty good so far. I have closed my position. I look for another setup to see if we can go lower. But from there to here, we did 294 pips. And from the top, if somebody would have got in up here, I mean, it's 369 pips. So this overall was a good trade, and it's just based off the analysis that I had given, previously on YouTube, talking about the oil and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin had already dumped, so it's anticipated that oil will be next. All right, now can oil go lower? Yeah, it can, but we're at some key levels right now, so we definitely want to pay attention to this demand zone right here. And clearly, we're sitting in a demand zone. We're seeing some type of bullishness in this area, so we could come back to retest these areas. So now, could we possibly seeing a trend change? Possibly. So we have this, that. So all we're doing is doing lower lows and lower highs. So we need to see, or could we revisit back up here? We can come all the way back up to here as well too before we push a little lower and start a new trend. So that's a possibility that could happen. But we just play level by level. So right now, if we're playing level by level, look, we're sitting in it. We just got out of a demand zone. We're right at the edge. So if anything, you'll be looking for some buying opportunities, depend, based off of this. But for right now, I'm not doing any trade. I made pretty good on it today, so I'm out of the market. But if I see another setup, I don't mind taking it. And we'll go ahead and we'll do a 30-minute chart as well. Let's see what we got going on here. All right. We're at the 50% retracement level. I like trading to the 61. So we still possibly have some opportunity to get here. But like I said, we got to be careful because we still keep fighting to get back up here, especially around this 23% retracement level. So you still can get up there. And if this was something I want to trade, yeah. So if I was going long to get back up there, I mean, this is a good area where if you put your stop loss below here, that's not bad. 37 pip stop loss, but you're risking 37 pips to potentially make 185 pips. That's a good risk reward ratio. I take that any day. All right, so it's really good. Think of, I think oil and possibly maybe US 30. That's a stretch, but those type of instruments are good for risk reward. You can you can do 20, 30 cent lot sizes and you can make pretty good decent amount because you're banking on your risk reward. So if you're looking for a perfect risk reward like a 1 to 5, 1 to 4, I would look at trading those because they move much heavier. All right, and so it make more sense for you. But yeah, that's the analysis on that. Like I said, you can go back and look at the video uh, from yesterday that was posted. You can check it out. You can see what I was talking about. But there are plenty of correlations in the market where one asset will move before the other. Um, so start paying attention. Start looking and seeing if you can find these, and it's really a good strategy. All right, so this is a correlation strategy. All right, hit the like button, subscribe. It's your boy E White. I'm out.